morning, guys. It's Monday, April 29th, and we're starting Old Dutch this morning. Getting on to be 7 o'clock. So yeah, Monday, they're usually pretty busy. We're hauling with another farmer, but hopefully we can get quite a few loads in today. Stay tuned. She ain't got enough juice. We'll put the booster cables on her. Boosting it with my half ton. Let's see what she does this time. It's an old house we don't normally store in, but we had a good crop this year, so we had to put them in it. We'd like to have them long gone by now, but take what you can. Oh, David, took my burger. Got the load on, and I'm just gonna head right over now. See you there. We're on the scales. We're weighed in. Now we're backing off. Oh, and the boys brought me coffee. This little move right here. It's called the trucker's tuck, so she don't slosh on you when you hit a bump. Nothing like a nice hot coffee. Tim's coffee. Guy unloading ahead of me. So it shouldn't be too long. He's just got a straight truck, so he'd have half as much as I'll have on, but I'll wait for him to unload. This truck's got a bunk for a reason. Well, the other guy unloaded. I was sitting up in there by that trailer. Anyway, the other farmer got unloaded, and now I'm just waiting to back in. I got in pretty good here now, but still got about 15 feet to go, but I don't want to back into the stinger, so I'll wait for somebody to come back. the scale, they were 4 and 1.9 ounces. So now I'm gonna count how many pieces of seed were here, and then I'll divide that by the pieces of seed, and that'll tell me what the average weight per piece was. We're looking for around 2 ounces. So we'll get it figured out. Okay, so we had 4 pounds, 1.9 ounces of seed. There was 36 pieces of seed, so that's about, I did the math, and that's an ounce, 1.83 ounces per piece. We're aiming for about 2, so I'm just gonna do one more test, and it seemed like there was a few slivers that I got, so I'm gonna do one more test and see what I get for another. Okay, so I did another sample. I had 54 ounces, 28 pieces. That comes out to 1.94 ounces. So a little better, a little closer to what we're looking for. Dad's coming back, so I'll see what he thinks on that size, and we can adjust the machine or the seed cutter, adjust the seed cutter to make them a little bigger if we need, but anyway, it's an average, so 194 is pretty dang close. But these back here, chip variety. These are fry variety, rest of Burbanks. Left the tube out so we can keep them separate. And the bees get in with those. These won't color and make nice white potato chips. They'll be dark. That's not good. Hey folks, got that load of seed cut. Right now I'm heading over to get Scott. He took the truck over to the plant. They're gonna unload the trailer slowly overnight. And so yeah, I'll get him and take him back to the farm to his truck. Ray, he's putting another load on. For tomorrow morning. They want us to plan on doing one truck, and yeah, then he's gonna put on a load of seed, probably put a load on tomorrow morning for Old Dutch, and then cut seed for the rest of the day. After I take Scott back, I'm gonna go home and get a bite to eat, and then I'm gonna go and do books in the office for the evening. So yeah, so I just want to thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like if you liked the video. Hit that subscribe button and leave a comment. Yeah, thanks. See you in the next video.